This
Also.
conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, every day you people are going to get the live recording classes. Even if you prepare the notes also. Tim, now yesterday I told you, now you people need to maintain the notes here now. Okay. Now here, SAP, how it is going to work it SAP? SAP, which is going to integrate or establish connections within the organizations here. Now, in organization, what are the functions we are having here now? Functions is nothing but department here now. Organization, financial department we are having, a human resource, sales and distribution, sales and marketing, procurement, logistics, quality. These are the things are there now here. This is the layman language system now domain here now. If you can come to SAP part, financial accounting in SAP, we call it as a financials and controlling. Human resource we call in SAP terminology human resource management. Sales and marketing we call it as a sales and distribution. Procurement we call it as a materials management. Quality same now. Logistics now, here all the except finance model all comes under logistics now, same naming in logistics here. Quality management now we call it as a then same quality management only. Here if you can see here now, in SAP FICO financial and controlling, it is in centralized module team now. Here it is in centralized module which is having the tight integration. Integration means okay connectivities, integration between other functional modules team. If you see here now, here FICO, here I am having the in mid of the here in this diagram, we are going to establish connectivity in between sales and distribution. Same thing now we are going to establish connectivity in materials management. Same thing now we are going to establish connectivity in quality department here, as well as human resource also here. See here, now why we are going to integrate all other functions. Now material management, what they are going to do here, material department, they are going to purchase the raw material. Once raw material they purchased from the suppliers, on our due date, on or before the due date, as a finance people, finance department means ours is the finance department. We are going to pay the amount to the suppliers. Same thing, sales and distribution, what they are going to do here, they are going to selling the our finished product to the customers. Once sales is done, team here two kind of sales, cash sales and credit sales. Cash sales means immediately cash we are going to receive the we means here organization team. Okay. Credit sales means while doing this sales, our sales people are going to decide it this amount when we are going to get it from the customer. For that reason, we are going to once at the time of sales, that accounting document is in financial department. Once accounting document is flown to finance department, at the time of receiving amount from the customer, then here we required for integration in between sales and distribution and finance FICO module here. Now here human resource. Human resource is having all the employees details here. Employees now wages and salaries, everything we are having here. At the time of payment now, we are going to integrate with the employee information. We are going to get it from the all employees information from resource management, human resource management. That is the reason now here finance is the tight integrated module, centralized module team now here. Now then coming to here now. First of all, what do you mean by SAP? What is the abbreviation? Team now SAP, we are having some abbreviations we are having here. SAP. SAP means systems, applications, data in product or process. Both are same thing. Systems, applications, data in product or data in process, both are in same team now here. This is the three-tier architecture we calling here. System means this is the SAP system. Application means which is screen where you are going to entering the all the accounting documents. Team now I am going to talk about only financial terminologies only as a accountant layman language. Whenever we are going to integrate with the sales and distribution and material management, we are going to discuss more those things also here. Now, SAP means systems, applications, and data in product or process. These are three layers architecture team now here. Here, if you can come to definition part, SAP is one of the ERP package which is going to integrate with all the functions within the organization. Team, if you can take any of the organization manufacturing industry here, these are the functions we are having here within the organization now, which is going to integrate all these things now. We are going to bring it into the SAP system. How? Now here, Tim, now what do you mean by ERP? I use it in one new word here now. ERP means enterprise resource planning. Tim, if you want, you can note down all these things, Tim, now here. This is the basic information, Tim, now here definition part which is required for whenever you people are going to attend any kind of mock interviews, and here you are going to get the questions in live interviews also you are going to get here, and also now you might get certification questions also here, team. Okay, certification questions also here. Then coming to here now, ERP means enterprise resource planning. Here now we are talking about only for SAP. In market nowadays only SAP is there in ERP. No, there is other tools also. Here Oracle also one of the ERP tool, BAN, PeopleSoft, SAP, Microsoft Dynamics. Now here why we call it as, SAP is the most popular ERP tool. Why it is in most popular here? Tim, now SAP is many options we are having. It is in user friendly. Quickly we can able to adapt the things here. More accuracy. Accuracy means now here each country now separately now they are having their own own financial statements. So kind of formatting here now. Now SAP we can able to get the every each country wise financial statements now here more accurate data here, that too here, Tim, now here let us assume now in SAP one tool is there, one benefit is there. Now what is that benefit? Suppliers. If I now suppliers means who supply the service or material, now we call it as a suppliers. Today my organization is the big industry. If we can take Shell is the petroleum product team now here, which is worldwide now they are having the all the countries their operations. So Shell is the big client for SAP they are using. Let us assume now today Shell they want to pay 1 lakh suppliers amounts, 1 lakh number of custom, okay, supplier A, B, C like that. Now 1 lakh suppliers they need to pay amount within 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, system automatically recognize to whom we have to pay based on the payment term today. uh, Today due date, when it is coming due date, tomorrow due date, system automatically find out the system here payments, and also they are going to paid automatically, and they are going to generate, they are going to print the checks also automatically. That kind of tools are available in SAP system, team, now this kind of facilities and importance, and this kind of tool in the sense one of the option, team, now here don't confuse it. Tool means now you people are thinking about out of SAP, don't think that one. Tool means now here option here now SAP, such kind of options are available here within 5 to 10 minutes. Within 5 to 10 minutes, less than 5 minutes, team, we are going to paid 1 lakh more than supplier payments, and spot on the spot we are going to get the check prints and the payment advices. Everything we are going to get it within 5 minutes, team. Such kind of options are available here, team. Now those are the things now, okay, in live I am going to show you now while doing the daily regular practice. That is the reason now in market SAP is become a more popular tool here now, ERP tool. Tim, now here see nowadays now here you people are might have hearding here now. Okay, now there is no software side jobs and recession is going on like that people are hearing. But if you think in reality ground, in SAP point of view, there is no recession. Now still recruitment is going on here. This is whenever manufacturing industries are running, whenever manufacturing industries they are doing their business, their activities. Business means production, sales, marketing. Whenever they are running the business, definitely they require SAP people here. If they are using the SAP system, their daily their activities they are entering in the SAP level, then consultants are needed here. Then Microsoft Dynamics also is there now. Okay. Now these are the few ERP type of ERPs I have given here. Now coming to in SAP point of view, what is our roles here? Now basically two kind of roles are there now. In SAP, roles consultant or consulting, both are in same team now here. Now one is consulting role and second one is end user roles. End user roles. Consulting means team now who develop the system, who prepare the system. Okay, we are all the consultant. After completion of the course, you all become a consultants. Again here, consulting part, two kind of consultants are there now. Functional consultants, and also technical consultants. What is the difference between functional and technical? Team now here, if you can take again consulting, two kind of consultings here, functional and technical. If you can come to functional consultants, now financial and controlling, this is the one of the functional module team. Ours is the financial module here. And a controlling also, like sales and distribution. Sales and distribution also one of the functional module here, and material management also functional module, quality management also functional module, production management also functional module. Like that human resource also you are having here, human resource management. Okay, human resource management here, this is also one of the functional module. Like that many functional modules we are having. Tim, now here our module is functional consultant module here. See here, as a functional consultant we are not going to write any kind of code modifications, and we are not going to use any kind of programming language, code, programming language or code. We are not going to, just we are doing the configuration or customizing the things, that's it. Okay. Anyone having any doubts till now? Anyone having any doubt team till now? Swapna, Akhilesh, Ajay, Dilip,
No,
Manogne,
No, sir. No, sir.
Ankit,
No.
no, sir.
Manish, Chiranjeevi. Yeah, yeah. Now here, coming to here now, yeah. Now I have given the only few functional module only team now here now. Like that now we are having many functional module. I will show you now in the system how it is happening, or how many kind of how many types and kinds of functional modules are available here. Then coming to technical consultants. Technical consultants, two type of technical consultants. ABAPers, they are going to write the code and program. In technical people here, they are using the coding language, everything now here. Coding, how they are going to use, what is the base? According to functional consultant requirement, or as per instructions from the functional consultant, they are going to build the program, or they are going to use the coding and everything here. Technical consultants, ABAPers. Then securities and basis. Security, what they are going to do here now? Basis, what they are going to do here? Say for example now, as I told you initially now, our system is now S4 HANA is the latest version. Before S4 HANA, ECC is there. Tim, now here, now some people they are having the doubt now. Okay, now during the learning session now, in institute I got it ECC and S4 HANA. Once ECC I am using now, once it is coming to S4 HANA, again I need to learn the new topics. Such kind of many questions are there. No need to learn any kind of fresh course from conversion from ECC to S4 HANA. But ECC now I am having the 10 objects, 10 points. If any additional topics are there, any new functionalities are there now, one or two, then SAP is going to change the version from ECC to S4 HANA. Already you know 10 points. You just know only one or two points, whatever new concepts are coming. That too, whenever new tools are introduced, new versions are introduced by SAP system, our SAP, no need to shut down the old system. old version. No need to shut down old version. Still in market, 80% of the people they are using for ECC systems only. Slowly people are migrating without disturbance, without having any shutdown for ECC system. ECC whatever our trial balance financial statements are having without disturbing those things, then we are going to converting to the ECC S4 HANA. Once after conversion of S4 HANA, still we can able to use ECC level. What are the financial statements we are having? Same thing we can able to use in S4 HANA also. Just upgrade only team now this one. Here those kind of upgrades and technical related stuff, basis and security people are going to take care. And also now if you want to use the SAP system, you need user ID and password. Then where you are going to get user ID and password now? Basis or security, they are going to provide you user ID and password. Team, in live environment, you people are having the each and individual person wise user IDs and password. Team, one person is having one user ID only. That same user ID will not be repeated to the other people. Let us assume same pattern we are going to follow here in our institute also. Team, in our institute currently we are having the 10 people. 10 people, all the 10 members, we are going to get 10 different user IDs, each and individual wise. Team, any one person cannot be used, any two persons cannot be used same user ID and password. Same live environment, how you are going to follow, same pattern we are going to follow here also. Okay, end users, once SAP system is ready, all the consultants are working to to prepare the SAP system. After the build the SAP system, end users means accountants or accounts managers. Accountant means who post the daily regular activities. I mean accounting documents. Team, now accountant what they are going to do? Okay, today how much I need to pay amount and how much amount I received. Any adjustment postings to extract the financial statements. Okay, to pay the tax related payments. Those things now accountant is going to take care their every day to day activities. Here accountant is going to post or use the system here. Once at the time of using the end user accountant for SAP system, they need some kind of assistance. Sometimes they are unable to get the proper reporting, proper information, they are unable to get it in SAP level. That time they are going to contact to the consultant. Our role is consultant team now here. As a financial consultant and FICO consultant, we are not going to post any kind of accounting documents in the SAP system. Just we are going to guide, or if they need any help, or they are facing the any kind of issues, then they are going to approaching us. Team, now once the SAP system is built, prepare, once SAP is implemented the any kind of organization, whether it is in manufacturing organization, whether it is in service provider organization, whatever it may be, as long as they are using the SAP system, consultant roles is there, consultant is needed for them. Tim, is it clear as of now? Before going to do next topic, I am going to give here 2 to 3 minutes. Tim, yesterday we had a discussion this much. Tim, now here, anyone having any doubts here? Akhilesh, Swapna,
Um,
Ajay,
yeah, can you
Ankita, Vinesh.
explain who are end users again?
Yeah, end users means here now. Generally now, are you working as any kind of organization? Suppose now you want to claim some conveyance, you want to claim some kind of expenditure. We are going to contact to the, we are going to connect to the here end users only here now. Accountant means now who post the accounting documents, daily activities. They are going to enter the invoices, they are going to make the payments to the suppliers, they are going to receive the amounts from the customers. Now any tax related information they are going to submit to the government. Those kind of activities end users are going to do it as a accountant. Those people we call it as a end users. Okay, after implementation of over this one SAP system, who is going to use for endpoint? We are in starting point. We are the consultant. We are preparing the system. We are implementing the system here. After implementing system, who is going to use? End users. Say for example, now in banking industry, if you can take now, once you enter into any bank, immediately who are you are going to find out now. Now cash deposits and cash window you are going to find out. In cash deposits and cash withdrawal window, who sits persons? That persons we call it as a end users. They are going to receive the daily cash and they are going to pay these daily cash payments, right? Those people we call it as a end users or accountants. You got it?
Yes, sir. Thank
Yeah. Anyone? Any other doubts? Chiranjeevi, Manogna, Ajay, Ankit, Akhilesh, Swapna, and Dilip.
Yes, sir. As a consultant, the consultant will design all SAP for end users and all.
Correct, correct. Consultant is going to design the system for end users. Okay, say for example, now, okay, now before going to develop and before going to design the system, now there is some approach is there now that we will discuss further steps. Okay, you park it
Okay.
as your question now okay now just 5 to 10 minutes we will come that point
Okay.
only.
Okay, sir. No problem.
How
Thank
we
you.
are going to implement and what are the key points, what are the key information we need to get it from our end users or business users. Okay, we'll let you know that one.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Welcome.
Sir, one question.
Yes.
Basically, I'm an ABAP consultant. So, is there any prerequisite to learn FICO, like any other financial background, or this much has to understand or to know to learn FICO, like that? Anything is there?
No, not required, but see, as much as now nowadays now engineering background people also they are doing the FICO consultants here. But
Okay.
if you know, that is good now. If you don't know also now, here we are going to go here from the beginning here now.
Okay, sir.
You are working as a ABAPer.
Yes, I'm working as an ABAP consultant.
Okay, which organization?
Currently, I'm in Accenture.
Oh, right, great. Yeah, if you learn functional model now, if you will become a techno-functional consultant.
Okay. Techno-functional. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah, thanks, sir.
yeah, welcome.
Bye.
Anyone, any further doubts before going to moving on? Yeah. Now, in generally in SAP, how many types of projects are there now? SAP type of projects. Now, now if you can come to here, now type of projects. Generally, four type of projects are there now. First one, implementation project. First one is implementation projects. Implementation projects are greenfield implementation. You can note down all those things, Tim. Now here, now these things it might come certification questions also here. In SAP worldwide team, now if you are going to work it as a worldwide any kind of organization, any kind of SAP industry, only these kind of four projects are available here. One is implementation projects or greenfield implementation. Greenfield implementation. Second one is support projects. Supporting project. Supporting project. Yeah. Third one is third one is rollout project. Rollout project or brownfield implementation. Brownfield brownfield implementation. Greenfield and brownfield. Now, generally now we are going to use greenfield and brownfield. These two terminologies we are going to use live environment team now. Live means real time environment here now. Greenfield implementation means okay, new implementations here now. Brownfield implementations means rollout projects. Okay, I will tell you now one by one what is the greenfield, what is the brownfield, what is the support and everything in detail we'll discuss. Yeah, fourth one is here migration projects. Okay, these are the total four kind of projects we are having team now in SAP level. Total 9 here. These are the four kind of projects we are having here: implementation projects, support projects, and a rollout project or brownfield implementation, migration projects. Okay, now what do you mean by implementation projects? What do you mean by implementation projects here, team? Implementation project means team any organization newly they are going to adopt the SAP system. How it is new means now example team now here every their daily accounting tool, accounting system, accounting software they are using the Tally team now here or Wings, Focus or Oracle anything. They are not at all happy with using the Tally system. Management is decided go with SAP. Once they got the license from the SAP labs, okay, SAP labs, now they are going to contact the one IT company like Accenture, IBM, Capgemini, Tech Mahindra, whatever it may be here. Now they are going to contact the IT company. They told now we are planning to implement the SAP. We are going to shut down the old accounting software or accounting tools. In going forward, our system is now everything is in SAP. Our organization, all the activities, team activities means payment, receipts, and purchases, everything now we are going to record in SAP system now. Activities means they are going to preferring the SAP systems here. Now those kind of systems, existing system we are going to shut down here. New system we are going to introduce in SAP. Those kind of projects we are going to handle it new projects in implementation projects or greenfield implementation. Before introducing SAP, they don't know SAP and they are not at all using here. Now, first time whenever people are ready to use SAP systems, those kind of projects we are going to handle it through implementation project route or greenfield implementation. Greenfield implementation. Anyone having any doubt here? Anyone having any doubts? Anyone any doubts regarding this greenfield implementation? Silence means I treated as a no doubts here. Yeah, supporting projects. Supporting project means here once implementation is over, end users, they are start using the SAP system. During that time, if they're facing the any kind of issues, we are going to handle it supporting project route. Okay, this is the after implementation of SAP system who provided the support now to resolve the support issues. That kind of projects we call it as a supporting projects here. Anyone any doubts here?
No, sir.
Yeah. Now
No, sir.
rollout projects. Yeah, sorry, no doubts, right? Yeah. Now rollout projects are brownfield implementation. Say for example now our management they are running their businesses in various countries. Take for example now Shell. Shell is the one of the biggest client in SAP team. Almost all MNC companies, all the IT companies, Shell is there in the project. Okay, that is the oil industry is there. Shell they are doing their activities in number of countries. Let us assume shall they are having the India team one, okay, one country, one company code we are going to use it team now here. One company code for one country only. Why? Because now if you want to submit your financial statements, okay, each country wise now we are going to create one company code here. Now in India, Shell is running successfully in SAP. All the activities, all the transactions, all the reports they are getting from SAP system. Management happy to use in SAP. Going forward now, same kind of India, what are the activities we are doing in SAP? All these activities now, Singapore or Malaysia or UK or US country, their activities, particularly that country activities also, they are going to do in SAP system. They are going to do in that country activities of the SAP system, same as in India. Such kind of projects we are going to handle it through rollout project. Rollout means already India we are having same kind of activities, same kind of functionalities. We are going to bring it into the other countries into the SAP system. India, what are the functionalities they are using in SAP? Same Singapore country, they are going to bring it into the SAP system, or Malaysia or US, all the countries, they are going to one by one bring into the SAP system. Those kind of projects, we are going to handle it through rollout projects or brownfield implementation. Anyone having any doubt here? Anyone having any doubts here? Team, team, you people are following? Hello? Team, yes or no? Anyone can confirm, team?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we are following.
Yes, sir. Basically, the implementation or greenfield implementation means where when a company does not have the SAP software, you start it from scratch and
Correct.
implement it.
Exactly. Exactly. First time,
And with
whenever
support
people want to
projects,
introduce the SAP, that projects we are going to do in greenfield implementation or implementation projects.
support is like after sales services which you usually provide to a customer.
Yes, correct. All the customer in related information we are going to start using the SAP, start entering the SAP system. So like for example now Tally is there, right? Okay, now Tally accounting package of once you installed in your system, you got the license, you are going to use that, right? Daily transactions,
Hmm.
payments and receipts, we are entering into the Tally. Same thing now here, the end users are entering into the SAP system. Those kind of activities we are going to do in supporting project route. That time we are not going to enter any kind of invoices and payments. We means here consultant team, but end users are there doing here now. But during that time, if they are having the any kind of issues, they are unable to understand the how to process the certain things, they are going to contact to the consultant. That kind of works we are going to deal with supporting project route.
Okay.
Clear?
Brownfield is like if a company wants to expand its business to another, another
Country.
level, then they use this.
Yes, expand their business in another country to bring into the SAP system.
Okay, already they
Expansion of
have an
business is different.
existing
Yes,
system for few of their businesses. One more business they are getting into work, then this will come under brownfield implementation.
correct, correct. Clear here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this migration projects. Here, migration projects means now here nowadays now ECC 6.0 and S4 HANA. Two systems I am comparing here. Now our latest system is now S4 HANA system. Okay, now my client they are start using the SAP system last 20 years. Okay, now till last year, now ECC 6.0 version people are using. Now SAP has introduced now use for S4 HANA. Then I am going to migrate to the ECC to S4 HANA system without any disturbance using the existing system. End users are whatever they are posting the accounting documents as usual now in ECC, same kind of transactions they are going to post in EC S4 HANA system after the migration. And also migration in the sense now this one migration projects basically here now here ABAPers and basis team, these teams are going to use it more. Involvement is there in migration system. Technically means now in backend they are going to change the technically here now. Here ABAPers and basis they are going to work it as a migration project. So version changes from ECC 6.0 to S4 HANA. If you can take now ECC 6.0, we are using the Oracle database team now. Oracle database means once you post the any accounting documents, okay, now backend somewhere it is going to save all the store in the data here. That database we call it Oracle database. Now once HANA is introduced here now, S4 HANA, no more into HANA database here. Now everything is migrated to the, everything now change it to the database, HANA database here. Those kind of projects, we are going to handle it migration projects. But in migration project, what is our role here? Generally in migration projects, as a functional consultants, we are going to perform the testing activity. Testing means before migrating the system, how it is working. After migrating the system, how it is working. We are going to just compare. Now after conversion the project, after conversion the system to S4 HANA, same as ECC earlier, how it is working, how accountants are using the system, same pattern we have to made it like that only. Okay, we need to hand over after the migration to the end user, same as usual like ECC 6.0. But backend database is going to change it. Those things now end users don't know. Sorry. Yeah, basically this is the upgrade the systems from old versions to the new versions. Those kind of projects we are going to handle it through migration projects here. Anyone having any doubts? This?
No, sir. Clear.
Yeah. Okay. Now coming to next one. Timno here except support projects, we are going to use some kind of methodology is there now. Whenever you people are going to work implementation projects or rollout projects or migration projects, some kind of approaching is there now to implement, to work on it the projects here now. That project approaching now methodology, we call it as a ASAP methodology. This is very important team now. You people can note down here. ASAP methodology or SAP roadmap. ASAP methodology or SAP roadmap. ASAP methodology or SAP roadmap. Team now here ASAP methodology or SAP roadmap. What do you mean? This means if you are going to work it as a other than supporting projects, whether it is an implementation project or rollout project or migration projects, how you are going to implement the system, what methodology you are going to follow. It's like planning team now here. Let us assume now we are into Hyderabad now. If you want to go to from Hyderabad to Bangalore now, mode of transport, various things we can able to reach out to the Bangalore here now, whether it is in flight or train or bus or on road on your own transport, like that now many ways we are having to go to Bangalore like this. Same way here now, here to implement the systems, we are having this some kind of approach here now. Those approaches we call it as a ASAP methodology or SAP roadmaps here now. Here there are 5 phases here. There are 5 phases. There are 5 phases. First phase, project preparation. Team, no, these 5 phases very important. Team, no, you people note down here. You people can note down, team, now here. First phase, project preparation. In project preparation, what we are going to do? Project preparation generally now, project start and end date is going to decide. Project preparation stage, project start and end date will decide. Project and start and end date is going to decide. Project start and end date is going to decide. Then team, now here we are having the here now project, when we are going to start, when we are going to end up, how many days. Now both the project managers which is going to decide, team, now team, both project managers means IT company side project manager and organization side team. Let us assume now here, yesterday I quoted as a one example. Now we are having the steel in manufacturing industry. Okay, if you can take Tata Steel, team, now Tata Steel side one project manager is there. This Tata Steel, now IT company IBM is implementing the system here. IBM side we are having the one project manager. Both project managers and stakeholders, now they are going to sit together and they are going to decide it project, when we are going to start, what date, till what date we are going to end up this project, when we are going to hand over. Now project preparation stage, that things are going to work it here now. Then consultants, who is going to work on this project, who is going to work on it, who is going to work on it means how many FICO consultants are required, how many SD consultants are required, how many marketing material management people are required, how many quality consultants are required, now how many ABAPers needed here, how many basis and security people are required here. Now those things, now here we are going to, who is going to work on it here, team selection, we call it as a team selection here. Team selection, team selection here. Then team, anyone having any doubt here till now? Hello.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah. Team
No, sir.
selection can be happen now. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, in project preparation level, team selection. Team, now this project is now offshore implementation or onshore implementation. Okay, execution process we call it. Okay, execution process. Yeah, execution process. Execution process means whether it is in onshore implementation or offshore implementation. Team, onshore implementation means consultants are going to travel to the Tata Steel Tata Steel office. We are going to sit there and we are going to work from there. That is the onshore implementation. Offshore implementation means consultants, they are going to sitting in their own IT premises. We are going to work from here. That is onshore implementation. That too, kickoff meeting. Kickoff meeting. Kickoff meeting means team introduction, team. Yeah. Team, now here, team introduction means who is the project manager of IT company side. We are the come from IT side team now. Who is the project manager from organization side? I mean steel industry, Tata Steel side. Both the project manager introduction, then also team introduction. IT company side, who is the FICO consultant? Same FICO consultant we are having the Tata Steel side also in finance manager or someone. Now who is the counterpart from our FICO information providing person, same thing now, SD consultant from IT side and SD people responsible person for Tata Steel side. Okay, now everything team introduction can be happen in kickoff meeting here. Okay, this is the things can be happen in project preparation stage. Is it clear, team?
Yes, sir.
Then business blueprint. Business blueprint. We call it as a BBP also here. Yeah. Team, no business blueprint here. Business blueprint. What do you mean by business blueprint here? Yeah. Now, before going to prepare the business blueprint, team, now here business blueprint is the heart of the project, SAP project. Heart of the project here. Business blueprint. Very, very important role which is going to play here now. Here. Now, before going to prepare the business blueprint from end user side, from end users provided as is document. Okay, as is document, what are the things are there now? We are going to get it from the steel industry side. As is document, as is side, as is document, current business process, which current business, existing business process means here what is their company code, what is their company code name, and what is the address of the company code. Okay, what is the language currency they are using, which country they are running the business. Okay, now how many financial statements are required, what is their financial year starting and ending, everything. Now everything they are going to decide it in as is document. Now how sub payments can be made to the suppliers. Okay, how amounts are receiving from the customers, everything they are going to give in one documentation here. That document we called as a as is document. Business process, what kind of processes they are using, how they are running the business, how what are the activities they are using, everything they are going to give documentation. That document we call it as a as is document. Team, is it clear now? As is document. Yeah, based on the as is document, then we are going to everything is in each and every line by line we need to understand as a consultant. If you are having the any doubts now, we are going to prepare the questions and answers database. Now questions we are going to prepare here. Now answers we are going to get it from end users or business side. Now if you are having any doubts, any questions here, now we are going to prepare the questions and answer database now here in business blueprint level. Now once we are going to discuss with the business, now once they start giving the all the explanations, now we are going to note it down one document, everything team. Once questions and answers database is ready, now to be study, to be document, we are going to prepare it. To be document, to be document. Yeah, to be document means okay, all the business processes, all the business activities, how you are going to map into the SAP system, what kind of configuration you need to do, where ABAP's involvement is there. Okay, now what is your company code name, how to define the SAP system configuration, customizing things, we are going to declare in to be document level here. Then to be document is nothing but business blueprint. To be document is nothing but business blueprint. To be document is nothing but business blueprint. Okay, based on the business blueprint only, we are going to do the all the configurations part team now in SAP. Okay, before business blueprint, we are not going to touching in SAP now. First two phases now, everything is in documentation part and the team introduction can be happen now. Team, till here is it clear? I think Manognya, now you are asking your
Yes, sir.
question now. How to get the things and everything now here? What kind of activities in SAP? How you are going to map based on the to be document only?
Okay.
In to be document, we
Okay.
are going to mention it here now. Your company code name, Tata Steel Industry Private Limited. What is the corporate office address? What is the currency you are using? Which country you are running this business? Everything we are going to mentioning in a to be document. Based on that, we are going to configure in SAP. I will show you now configure in SAP these things how you are going to configure the things.
Okay, sir.
But here everything it is there in the documentation level. Based on the to be as is document, they are going business is going to provide, this is my company code name, this is the currency I am using, this is the country we are running the business, this is the corporate office address, everything they are given in as is document. Same thing now I am going to put it in to be document level. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Yeah. To be document is nothing but business blueprint. Once business blueprint is ready, sign off is over. Now we are going to do the configuration. As a consultant, from here in this phase onwards, we are going to start using the SAP system. This one, realization phase. Realization. Third one is realization team. Yeah. Team, now anyone having any doubt? Okay, I am stopping here. Then we will continue here from tomorrow.